In today's fast-paced world, the power of connection simplifies our lives in ways we've never imagined. Introducing the future of seamless integration between human resources and financial management, a bridge between Centrally HR and Acumatica. From the heart of your HR operations, crucial general ledger data syncs directly into Acumatica, enhancing journal transactions with unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. Employee demographics seamlessly migrate from Centrally HR to populate Acumatica's configuration, enriching organization and employee fields with vital information, ensuring a unified and comprehensive system. But the synergy doesn't end there. Acumatica also enriches Centrally HR by syncing manufacturing production order and work center data directly into cost centers, creating a cohesive ecosystem that breathes efficiency into every task. With projects and tasks flowing smoothly into Centrally HR's cost centers, project management becomes a breeze, enabling a more strategic approach to resource allocation and budgeting. And for those in the field, service orders, appointments, and line items find their home in Centrally HR's cost centers, ensuring that every detail is accounted for, from scheduling to service delivery. Centrally HR and Acumatica, together, they redefine what's possible, turning complexity into clarity and data into action. Welcome to a new era of integration, where your business operates as one.